What's going on, guys? My name is Dr. Kritoshi. I'm a trader. I'm a swing trader. I'm a teacher, and I want you to know that you are capable of accomplishing your mission. This is my second time recording this, and I'm still going to keep the same energy. You are holding yourself back. You are allowing other people and yourself to hold you back. You know that you can do this. You know that no matter what anyone says, you have people around you that believe in you, that truly believe in you, not the ones that partial, the ones that truly believe in you, that pour into you. My mentor pours into me. Dr. Dino, he pours into me so much because he believes in me. He believes in something that I can't see and I understand it now. Dino to me is like Morpheus and I'm Neo. I have to believe that I can do this. He's only just giving me the door to walk through. I have to walk. You have to walk. Trading is definitely something that will be here forever, and that it is the greatest skill that you can learn, which is yourself, psychology, decision making, numbers. It's everything that you can possibly think of. That's all you need. It's knowing when to buy, when to sell, when to sit back, when to look at the market. And it's possible, and you're going to learn it from me. You're going to learn how to trade from me by watching what I'm doing, watching my mistakes, watching what I do, and me coming and being consistent on here for as long as I possibly need to grow my community. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram at Ish the Creator. ISHTHECREATOR. Ish the Creator. Dr. Ishmael. Dr. Kritoshi. That's who I am. That's who I am. Dr. Kritoshi. And I would like for you to follow me. Go on my Instagram page. Join my Discord. We sit there, we learn. I have everything that you need, tools, everything that you possibly need to learn how to trade and start right now. I have it. And I know people need a source that they can come to, ask as many questions that they need in order for them to understand, so you can get out of this mental break and start taking action. Okay? All right, so let's get into the video. So today we're going to talk about liquidity, right? I'm going to put this over here out the way so you guys don't get confused. So, all right, we had all of this happen, right? Price came down, made a low. Hold up, something in my eye. Price made a higher low. Boom. That causes us to make a higher high, right? But this is still technically a higher low, but we're gonna say this is a higher high. Price ended up breaking this structure, right? Letting you know that the buyers right here are weak. So at this level, buyers are weak, right? So price ends up going down. We ended up coming back up and making another lower high, meaning we don't have enough money to break this high, so we're in a bear market. If price wanted to continue up, it would have continued up and started to make higher lows and lower and higher highs, but we didn't. So price ended up making the lower high. Price ended up coming back and making an equal low. So this is our support. This is where buyers are at, and I have it right here. This is where buyers are at buying up price, right? So we ended up doing that, and we ended up making a lower high. What does this do? When price makes a lower high and does not have the ability to come back up, we ended up dumping below this level again. You can see that prices continuously, sellers are right here. Sellers are right here ready to sell price down, because what happened, price ended up breaking this level of support right here. Now this will eventually start to turn into resistance once we break through, test it, and drop below it. So now price has made a new low. Now once price makes a new low, what I've learned is that once price makes a new low and we aren't continuing to go lower after we make our lower high, price will go and grab liquidity. Why does price do this? Because price does this because it has to make significant grabbings of money up here at this level. These people that got in, right? Because you're supposed to get in right here. If you're really, Really, I lied. You're supposed to get in down here if you want to short. If you want to short, you want to short at this level, breaking this level, going down. Up here at these levels or are lower highs that need to be respected. Major lower highs. You have miniature lower highs right here. You can say this is a lower high too because we ended up going down. This is also a lower high. Why did it break? Because it needs to grab every time price makes a new low. It will go up and make another lower high and grab the money from the people that thought it was going to continue to go low. So these people got stopped out. These people got stopped out. These people got stopped out because we ended up coming back to the major lower high. Now, once we've tested this major lower high and have not been able to break past it, this is a new major lower high that will get tested again. Because what happened? Lower high, lower high, low, high, lower low. Boom, boom. Now we at this level. This is a decision-making level. We don't trade this. I traded this right here, right? And traded it all the way down. And what did price do? Price went up and went to grab liquidity, stopping out all of these people that thought they was going to get in, including myself, to say, hey, we need more money for us to continue down because we don't have enough momentum to push it down. In order for us to go, it don't just go down, then go down, then go. No, price always. And I want you to know this because this is from my mistake. Price will always continue to make a lower high and test major lower high levels in a downtrend before we actually come down. And you want to know something on the daily time frame? This is a wick. So this is a liquidity grab. On the higher time frame, this right here is nothing more than a wick coming to grab money. We immediately last night dumped down. And where we are, below the levels that we know sellers will start to sell price at, right? So boom, we grab liquidity. The point of grabbing liquidity is so we can grab more money and bring it down to the buyers. Whenever we're selling price, we're selling price to the buyers. And whenever we're going long, we're buying price up to the sellers, right? To find out where will be a new level of sellers and where will be a new level of buyers, depending on if you're going for a short or a long. Right now, we're going to sell price into the buyers to see how strong and what is our next new level of buyers to come in and push price up, right? So right now, I know that these level of buyers are weak. These level buyers are weak. These level of buyers are weak because there's no support. There's no major support right here to hold price up. So we will continue to dump below this, right? Boom, making a new low. And what I say, when price makes a new low, right, what's going to happen? It's going to make a new high right up under this level, right? It's going to make a new higher low. We're going to sit up here. We find out where the sellers are. Sellers are right here. And then we're going to continue to go down. And we will not break that structure. We will continue to just go down, make lower highs and lower lows until we reach our target. You feel me? So that's pretty much all you need to be worried about. And you have to understand, let's just say, even if price, let's just say price, right? I'm going to come over here and let's say we're going to make a range, right? Boom, boom, boom. And then we come down. Price breaks this level, right? Well, you already know price is going to come back up, make a lower high. It's going to chop right here. Boom. We're going to continue to sometimes test these lower highs again, breaking it. Come up back again, breaking it. Come back up again, breaking it. Right? Now, in the uptrend, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. We make that lower high. We break out. Once price breaks out, right? All these higher lows right here, all the way down, are going to get tested, and we're going to have this low tested. So you may have got in right here. You may have got in right here. You may have got in right here. It will come back tested all the time. I know this for a fact. It will come back tested. Then price will start to push, and you will enter here, going upward to the new high, coming back, making a new higher low. Going back up, make a higher high. That's what we're looking for, but just the complete opposite in the trends. It is no different from each other. It's all a pattern, and I've I understand now the pattern. I understand why now you do not have to rush, and that there will always be another opportunity. We are looking for price to sell up under 65K to 62K. We're looking for price to break 62K. We break 62K, right? Once price breaks 62K, once price breaks 62K, we will no longer come back up to these highs and start to make lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows all the way down until the trend says it's done. And what will happen after that? I'm pretty sure price is going to start to slowly make an uptrend. You know what I'm saying? It's going to slowly make this uptrend. And we're going to start to attack these. You know what I'm saying? We're going to start to come back up once price is ready. And all of these levels will continue to get tested. You feel me? They will get tested. And then we'll have this candle close above. Then we can say, oh, we're going on for a bull run. Until then, we chilling in a straight bear market. You did. All right. I'm out. Dr. Ishmael is out. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. If you need anything, let me know. I got you.